Very good morning and welcome to one and all for a mathematics and statistics lecture. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and are safe at your home. So in our today's lecture, we are going to see the next subsum based on shares because already we have started with the topic that is shares and mutual fund. So today already we have started with the sums that is shares only, but today again we are going to take the sums based on shares itself because that is only very important concept over here. So come on students for our new sub part, new sub sum over here. As already have told you that ki dividend is always calculated on the face value, brokerage is always calculated on the market value. Okay, so whenever we purchase the things, we always whenever we purchase the thing, brokerage is added. Whenever we sales out, brokerage is subtracted. So these are the basic concepts which we do during the transactions, which is buying and selling of shares. Okay, and already we have discussed the concept regarding the total gain or finding the profit and so and so. So based on that only concepts, I am going ahead with this. So we'll be seeing the question over here. So question just says that Mr. A has sold 800 shares of rupees 10 each with a market price of rupees 120. Further, after selling whatever the amount he is getting out, he invested rupees 100 per shares of company at the rupees of 594 each. मतलब जितना भी पैसा मिला है वही पैसा उसने नया कंपनी में दैट इज सेकेंड कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है जिसका फेस वैल्यू रुपीज 100 है और मार्केट वैल्यू रुपीज 594 है. मिस्टर ए गॉट मतलब उसको कितना डिविडेंड मिल रहा है 15% डिविडेंड बिफोर द सेल्स. मतलब ये जो पहला कंपनी था उसके ऊपर उसको 15% डिविडेंड मिल रहा है एंड आफ्टर द सेल्स ऑल्सो इज गेटिंग 15%. मतलब जो कंपनी का परचेस किया है ना वो कंपनी भी 15% डिविडेंड दे रही है. So see, he is gaining from company A as well as company B, or you can say that the first company and the second company. Okay. Find the total gain, कितना total profit हुआ है, that is dividend कितना उसको मिला है, कितने shares उसने purchase किए, if the transaction brokerage for both the transaction is 0.5%. Now, as I've told you that this is the word problem, so word problem understanding is very important. अगर concept नहीं समझ में आता है, question नहीं समझा तो you people can't solve this. So it's an humble request to one and all that कि whenever you do the sum, at least try to understand it. और अगर understand करके समझ के ले लिया ना तो concept easily clear हो जाएगा and you can think and you can do the transaction very simply and very easily. So this is the thing which is required for you to do during the things or whenever you calculate the transactions. That much is very required. Okay. So starting with the sum over here for the first company. Whatever is given that we'll write it down over here. So number of shares कितना दिया हम लोगों को, that is 800. Face value is rupees 10. Brokerage is 0.5%. And dividend is 15% as well as market value is rupees 120. अभी जब भी ब्रोकरेज दिया है तो ब्रोकरेज इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द मार्केट वैल्यू. So I'll be calculating brokerage at the rate of 0.5% on market price. तो market price हमारे पास 120 है, so 120 into 0.5 divided by 100. तो कितना आ जाएगा हम लोगों के पास, will be getting the amount rupees 0.6. Now tell me, since I'm purchasing the units, मैंने units purchase करके ले लिया है, तो अगर मैंने यूनिट्स परचेज किया है तो आई शुड ऐड और आई शुड सब्सट्रैक्ट. व्हाट वी शुड डू ओवर हियर, डेफिनेटली परचेसेस है तो ब्रोकरेज क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, ऐड. करेक्ट. ओके फाइन, वी आर सेलिंग आउट, सॉरी. सो वंस इफ वी सेल्स आउट, सो वी आर सेलिंग आउट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, उसके बाद परचेज करते हैं. फाइन. सो सेल्स करते वक्त वी आर सब्सट्रैक्टिंग द ब्रोकरेज. So 120 minus 0.6. So 120 minus 0.6, how much we are getting? We are getting 119.06. First of all, we are selling out और जितने में सेल करके पैसा मिला उससे परचेस हो रहा है. करेक्ट. So 119.40 rupees I am getting the price of one share. Okay. Second sub concept, total sales. अभी टोटल सेल्स मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स एंड वी गॉट द सेल्स प्राइस, कि अगर मैंने ब्रोकरेज पे किया है तो मेरे को एक शेयर कितने में आ रहा है, तो वन शेयर आई एम गेटिंग एट ₹119.40. तो हाउ मच आई एम अर्निंग, तो 800 शेयर्स मेरे पास है और कितने रुपीस है मेरे पास 119.40. So I'm multiplying both this. So by multiplying both this, we are getting the amount that is 95520, 95,520 rupees. Clear? This is the basic, very basic concepts which I did out. What we did over here, first of all, we calculated the brokerage 0.5% on the market value as per the rule. Brokerage is always, always, always calculated on the market price. एक बार ब्रोकरेज कैलकुलेट हो जाता है उसके बाद वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग द प्राइस दैट इज सेल्स प्राइस, और सेल्स प्राइस कैलकुलेट होने के बाद हम लोग उसको नंबर ऑफ शेयर से मल्टीप्लाई करते. तो सेम ओनली आई डिड, आई गॉट द ब्रोकरेज दैट इज 0.6%. सिंस वी आर सेलिंग आउट, तो जब भी सेल करते तो ब्रोकरेज हमेशा हमेशा माइनस ही होता है. तो माइनस किया हमने, हमको सेल्स प्राइस मिल गया. देन टोटल सेल्स इज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू द सेल्स प्राइस. तो कितने शेयर्स हैं हमारे पास 800, प्राइस इज 119.40, मल्टीप्लाई किया, वी आर गेटिंग 95520. Now coming towards the next sub part, most important concept over here, that is the dividend. Dividend का already formula we have discussed out. Same formula I am putting over here, that is number of shares into face value into rate of dividend. So how many shares we have? We have 800 shares with a face value of ₹10 and dividend of ₹15. Correct. So what you people will do it, take a calci, put down the value 800 into 10, जो भी आंसर मिलता है into 15 और परसेंटेज का साइन प्रेस करो. Directly you can press the sign of percentage, huh? No need to do any of the such calculation by dividing and this and that and all, nothing. Already I have told you can use 12 digit calculator. 12 digit calculator use किया तो automatically आंसर आ जाएगा, कुछ भी changes करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So you are getting the dividend that is 1,200 rupees. Now this is a dividend for company first, that is first company what we calculated. जो शेयर सेल किया है उसमें से कितना डिविडेंड मिला हमको 1,200 रुपीज. ओके, नाउ ये जो शेयर्स मैंने परचेस किए वही शेयर्स आई एम सेलिंग आउट. ओके, तो सेल्स करके मुझे कितना मिल रहा है, तो अगेन आई विल बी डूइंग दैट इज की फेस वैल्यू इज 100, ब्रोकरेज 0.5, मार्केट प्राइस इज 594, डिविडेंड इज 15. तो मैंने कितने शेयर्स परचेस किए, तो सबसे पहले आई कैलकुलेट ब्रोकरेज बिकॉज आई हैव पेड अ ब्रोकरेज. सो ब्रोकरेज ऑन मार्केट प्राइस at the rate of 0.05%. So market price is 594. 594 पे 0.5% कितना आएगा हम लोगों के पास 2.97 रुपीज. Now tell me, I'm purchasing out. तो अगर हम परचेज करते हैं तो ब्रोकरेज शुड बी एडेड और सब्सट्रैक्टेड. डेफिनेटली एडेड बिकॉज परचेसेस हैं. परचेसेस के ऊपर अगर एक्सपेंसेस होता है तो वो एक्सपेंसेस हमेशा हम लोगों को क्या करना रहता है. यस, करेक्ट, वी नीड टू एड आउट. So I am getting the value that is market price with me over here is 594 and brokerage what I got over here is 297. This is the brokerage over here. So we'll add out. So 596.97. Now at a certain stage you people can go for the roundup. अभी roundup का rule पता है ना शायद से, but still I'll repeat out. What is the rule for roundup? If after decimal we have 5, I'll just wait to it again. After decimal अगर हमारे पास 5 या 5 से greater value है तो वो next digit जाता है. Okay? और अगर after decimal मतलब point के बाद below 5 है. Okay, this is greater than or equals to 5. Okay? If it is less than equals to 5 तो हम लोगों के पास कौन सा वैल्यू ले लेंगे हम लोग, प्रीवियस वैल्यू. दिस इज द रूल विच इट टर्न्स ओवर हियर. ओके, सो अभी हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, इट इज द रूल दैट इज 9. तो पॉइंट के बाद अगर 9 है तो हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, विल बी गेटिंग द सेम वैल्यू, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज द वैल्यू ओवर हियर. तो 596.97. will be the answer what I am getting over here. Okay, इसको I am converting to the approximate, that is 596.9. After decimal it is greater than 5. Greater than 5 तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा next digit हो जाएगा. तो 96 के बाद क्या आ जाएगा मेरे पास, what we will get over here, 97. So what are the values which we are getting out? 597 rupees. This is the amount which we purchased out. Now after purchasing we need to find out the total investment. तो number of shares find out करने का है. तो number of shares का formula is total investment divided by purchase price. So investment is rupees 95520 divided by 597. तो कितने रुपीस में मैंने परचेज किया? आई एम परचेसिंग दिस एट रुपीज 160 रुपीज. 160 में what I did, I have purchased the shares at, that is number of shares, how much we purchased, how many shares, 160 shares we purchased out. Okay, now second step which we have, that is we need to calculate the dividend. अभी डिविडेंड का फॉर्मूला भी सेम हो जाएगा, नो चेंज इन द फॉर्मूला ऑफ डिविडेंड, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू फेस वैल्यू into rate of dividend. Okay, so how many number of shares we have? We have 180 shares, 160 shares right now. What we found out, face value is rupees 10 and rate of dividend is 15%. Okay, so calculate. How you will calculate? You will take a calc, that is 160 into 10 into 15 divided by 100. So how much you are getting? We are getting the amount, that is 2400 rupees. Okay, so this is a dividend what we got over here. This is a dividend for our second company, or dividend by a second company which we gets out over here. So total gain which we got over here is dividend on first company plus dividend on second company. So dividend on first company कितना है 1200, second company का कितना है 2400. So 1200 plus 2400. Add both the values. By adding these values, you are getting the amount, that is 3600 rupees. Okay, so 3600 rupees is the income, that is the profit or the total gain which we get over here. Okay, so this is exactly what is required for doing the sum. We calculated the brokerage, then we subtracted, then we found out the purchase value, sales value के बाद we got the purchase value से number of shares मिल गया, और number of shares मिलने के बाद हम लोगों ने ये करके ले लिया, the things which we want, that we did out. So that is required for all the things which we have to do it, and same way we are going to work process ahead for our same thing. I hope now the concept is clear over here. Okay, so this was the first part which we did over here. I'm turning towards the second sub part. One more sum will be taking over here. So one more part which I have over here is this, representing Arvind Industry issued 80,000 shares of par value rupees 100. Now company is issuing 80,000 shares of rupees to 10 each. Company declared a dividend of rupees 2400. Calculate the rate of dividend. कंपनी ने ऑलरेडी 2400 का डिविडेंड दे दिया है, तो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है कि क्या रेट है उसका और कितने में वो रेट में उसका वो जा रहा है. ओके, सो आई विल गेट द टोटल डिविडेंड, टोटल फेस वैल्यू. तो टोटल फेस वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा, 80,000 रुपीज है और 10 रुपीज का ईच है, तो 80,000 इंटू 10 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 8 लाख रुपीज. Now formula for finding the rate of dividend. So rate of dividend will be having total dividend into 100 divided by face value. This is the formula to calculate the rate of dividend. The rate of dividend का formula है total dividend into 100 divided by face value. So total dividend which we got, that is 24,000 into 100 divided by face value is rupees 8 lakhs. So calculation करेंगे तो हमारे पास कितना आ जाएगा, will be getting rupees 3%. That is, we are getting the 3% amount over here. This is what was the second part which we want, rate of dividend over here. So I hope now the concept is clear. You don't have any of the doubts. Okay, so do the sum. See if you have any doubts. You people can text me or send me mail also. Rest we'll be seeing by our upcoming lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.